Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Life with Erica. I'm going to open my Ipsy box today. This is for June. I believe it's $32.99 a month. How is everyone doing? Okay, this says Make Bold Moves. And it says sneak peek. These upcoming products about self-expression staples. And then June's limited edition mystery bags are on there. Okay. Alright, the first thing in here is Silky hair detangling spray. It says for all hair types, detangle while preventing snaps, splits. Silk hair detangler spray is lightweight and made. Defrizz, detangle your hair, manageable, easy styling, detangles without buildup or residue leaving hair. It says ideal for shiny and soft, shiny and bouncy. Also ideal for children with tangles. Here is to better brushing and less pulling. Let's see what it smells like. It smells pretty good. My hair isn't. It's got like a decent smell to it. Brush. What's that? It smells like a shampoo. I just can't place the shampoo. It smells good though. Alright. The next thing is the e.l.f. Skin Tint Light Coverage Dewy Finish Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Water resistant for 80 minutes. It's in the shade Light Cool. It just doesn't look like it's light cool. That looks like it's a little dark. No, it's probably gonna work. Or not, actually. Let's use a beauty blender. Put it across. It does kind of have a white look to it. But it might work during the winter, but I don't know. We'll have to see. We could try it. Alright. I like that it has SPF 50, but also with the part of like having SPF in makeup, how much of it is actually really good for you? Like actually blocks the sun type thing. Alright, the next thing is Alamar Cosmetics 2 ultra creamy waterproof pencil liners. I have no idea what that word is. I don't know if that's conga, nonga, nos. No, I have no idea. Alright, we have what colors? We have black and brown liners. I'll probably go ahead and put these in a thing of giveaway because I have a lot of eyeliners, and to be honest, I don't think I need more. Like right now, I just did my makeup, but I didn't use any eyeliner. Alright. Then we have the Yummy Skin Flex Lift and Flex Concealer for Eyes and Face. Lift, Smooth, Corrector by Danessa Marix. And it says it's in neutral, number 6. It's definitely, it's like sealed. I'm trying to get it open. Okay. That's a neat looking concealer container. I don't want to open it as I have a concealer I'm using right now. So I don't want to open it and it start to go bad where I feel like I have to use it. And then we have Girlactic Blush and Glow Face Palette. Let's open it at this end. It's in this box. I want to open it and show it to y'all, but I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess up the box. Let me use this knife, see if I can get that piece to come out. I may just have to, there we go. And it's, of course, it's going to have fingerprints on it. And there we go. There's still the plastic piece on it. It's a bronzer, a blush, and like a light highlighter. And the shades Pinch Me Blush, Sunset Bronzer, and Radiance Glow. Alright, and I'm probably not going to use this because I'm actually like lowering the amount of stuff I have from different things. So like these two things are probably going to go right here in this box of stuff for giveaways. And then the other 3 things I'll keep. But that's not a, it's not a bad little box. Other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.